Have you ever wondered why your back aches so much? The answer may be lurking within your body, unnoticed and often misunderstood. Yes, we're talking about inflammation, a silent culprit behind many cases of back pain. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, a defense mechanism that's generally beneficial. It's like your body's own fire brigade, rushing to quench the flames of harm. When you see redness, swelling, or feel pain, it's a sign that your immune cells are hard at work, fighting off invaders. This type of inflammation is acute, resolving swiftly once the threat is neutralized. But what happens when this protective fire refuses to be extinguished? When it continues to burn, fueled by persistent exposure to various stressors? This, dear listeners, is chronic inflammation, a relentless fire that disrupts the body's healing balance. It can lead to tissue damage, pain amplification, and in rare cases, even autoimmune reactions. Our modern environment is a breeding ground for inflammation. Tiny pollutants from air and water pollution, exposure to mold or chemicals in everyday products. These are all potential triggers for chronic inflammation. Diet also plays a significant role. Foods high in omega-6 fatty acids like heated and rancid vegetable oils or laden with sugar and refined carbs can disrupt gut health and trigger inflammation. Processed meats and unhealthy fats are also culprits, promoting inflammation and worsening back pain. Stress, both physical and emotional, can amplify inflammation. Chronic stress can lead to an overproduction of stress hormones like cortisol, which raise inflammatory markers. This can lead to muscle tension, stiffness, and pain, particularly in the back. Sleep deprivation, often a side effect of stress, disrupts the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes, making it harder to recover from injuries and manage back pain. But there's a silver lining. By making certain lifestyle changes, we can combat inflammation and manage back pain. An anti-inflammatory diet, detoxification, stress management, prioritizing sleep, and regular exercise can all aid in taming the flames of chronic inflammation. To recap, back pain is often linked to chronic inflammation, a persistent fire triggered by ongoing exposure to stressors like environmental toxins, unhealthy diet, stress, and sleep deprivation. By understanding and addressing the root causes, we can better manage back pain and improve overall health. Remember, knowledge is power, and with awareness we can make choices that promote wellness and vitality.